Step number 1, I look at this side first. Okay, now because it's minus, okay, it means difference. Okay, now difference means 1 plus, okay, and 1 minus. Okay, so that's what you have to do first step. Now, and you don't care about this side because minus is just different. Just put 1 plus 1 minus straight away. Okay, now you ask yourself a question. What time what give me 12? Okay, the difference is 4. Okay, so what time what give me 12? The difference is 4. So 12, what time what give me 12? Okay, and then the difference is 4. That's right. Okay, 6 and 2. Okay, 6 and 2 is 12. And then the difference is 4. Now, this one, you type of factorizing, you just got to be careful with this a little bit. Because positive is positive 4, so the bigger number on the positive side. Okay, so 6 and 2. Okay, because 6 minus 2 is 4. All right. Next one, number 2. Okay, so x squared, okay, plus 2x, okay, minus 15. Step number 1, look at this, it's negative, right? Which means difference. So you go, don't care about the other one, so just could put 1 plus, 1 minus straight away. Okay, then ask yourself questions. What time what give me 15? Okay, the difference, because the difference here, the difference is 2. Okay, what time what give me 15? Okay, 3 and 5. Okay, and the difference is 2. You can see the 2 there. But because of positive, so therefore the bigger number on the positive side, 5 and 3. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so that's why the positive have to be bigger number, right? Because of positive 2 there. That's why. Okay, so just be careful with this kind of factorizing. Okay, it comes with practice. Okay, practice will get there. As long as you get the right process first, and you do a practice, and you get it. Right, x squared, okay, plus 6x minus 16. Right, now look at this, minus, okay, mean difference, so I don't care what this sign is. Okay, I ignore that one because it's minus, so 1 plus and 1 minus straight away. Okay, now you can put 1 minus 1 plus. Okay, the minus first or second, it doesn't matter as long as 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, or 1 minus 1 plus, along that difference. Okay, because minus means difference. Then you ask yourself questions differently, like this one here. What time what give me 16? The difference, okay, the difference is 6. So if you're not sure, list them out. 1 times 16, the difference is 15, right? 2 times 8, the difference is 6. That's right. That's the answer. Okay, so just list them out if you're not very good at it. Okay, and then you can see it. But you should be able to do it, you know, with a few practice, and you just write it out. So 8 and 2. Now because of positive 6, okay, because of positive in front of the 6, okay, so you go, the bigger number must be positive, so it must be 8 and 2. You cannot write. Now if you write 2 and 8 like this, okay, let's say 2, 8. The answer is wrong because 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So we're wrong. So keep that in mind. If the second one, if this one is positive, the larger number on the positive side. If it's negative, the larger number on the negative side. That's the only difference, okay? So this is 6, so this is 8 here, and this is 2, okay? So if you expand it out, it should give me the same answer. Right, number 4. P squared minus 3p minus 54, all right? So you look at this side here, it's negative, right? So I just put p plus, okay, p minus, okay? That's the first step. Then, what time what give me 54 and the difference is 3. Don't worry about negatively, just 3. What time what give me 54 and the difference is 3. So 54 is 9 times 6 give me 54 and the difference is 3. Yes? Now because it's 3, it's negative 3. So the larger number must be on the negative side. Okay, because this side is negative. So the bigger number on the negative side. So 9 and 6. Okay, so 9 and 6 to give me, okay, to 9 minus 6 to give me minus 3. All right, so it's just negative. If it negative 3, sorry, the bigger number must be on the negative side. Just keep that in mind for me. All right, that's how the process goes. Let's say number 5. Look, y squared minus y minus 6. Okay, this side is negative, so I automatically write it down, y minus and y minus. Okay, now what time what give me 6, and the different, minus mean different, the different is 1, nothing mean 1. Okay, invincible 1. Okay, 1. So what time what give me 6, and the difference is 1. So 6 is 1 times 6, no good. 2 times 3, yes, because the difference is 1. But again, sorry, this is 1 plus 1 minus, of course. And then what time what give me 6, and difference is 1, and 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, and the difference is 1. But because of this negative, so we pick the bigger number on the negative side. Okay, so that's a process. All right, let's say number 6. Okay, let's say m squared minus 6m minus 72. Okay, now because of minus, I just write 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, 1 plus, okay, 1 minus, okay, on this side. Then what time what give me 72, and the difference, because minus, what time what give me 72, the difference is 6. So 72, and if you list the whole factor out, otherwise, okay, you do a few practices again. 6 times 12, okay, give me 72. Okay, otherwise just list all of them out. Okay, if you're not familiar, okay, that's how you do it. So 6 times 12 give me 72, and the difference is 6. But because negative, okay, so the bigger number on the negative side. So this give me 12, that give me 6. All right, so 12 and 6. Let's say number 7. Okay, so let's say n squared minus n minus 30. Okay, so first of all, n plus, okay, n minus. What time what give me 30? Okay, the difference is 1. Nothing mean 1. So it's 30 is 6 and 5. Okay, so the difference is 1. But negative, so 6 here, 5 here. Is that okay? Okay, let's move on. I'm just keep doing the same one, and then you do it yourself. You should do it before me, and you can compare your answer with mine. Because after a while you understand, I want you to practice. Okay, that's why I do a lot, so you can see it. Okay, and good for you to practice as well. So x squared, okay, minus 19, x plus 84. Okay, so what time what give me 84? Okay, and add, because add give me 19. You see, because it's slightly different now. Okay, because it's plus, so I just copy whatever that is, if you still remember from previous part. Okay, now I mix up a little bit. So you go x, so that you can see it. Okay, I start again, or maybe I'm going to be too fast for you. Let's go. Let's start again for you. Okay, so because it's slightly different from the one I just did. This is from part 1. Okay, factorizing part 1. So let's go. Look at this side. The first step is plus. Then I just copy this side out. Okay, negative. So you go x minus x minus. You see? What time what give me 84? Add. See the add here. Okay, add give me 19. Okay, so you list them out. Let's say 21 and 4, no good. Okay, 14 and 6, no good, right? And you can just, you calculate to help you if the number are big numbers, so you cannot do in your head. So list them out. See, 12 and 7. So that's the answer, because 12 times 7 is 84. Add together, give me 19. Again, because of plus, it doesn't matter which number you put, okay, on which bracket. So 7 and 12. Okay, let's move on. Number 9, you're doing really well. It's a long one, but hey, you got lots of exercise for you to practice. Okay, so let's say add a little bit of flavor. Okay, let's say I'm gonna do a little bit different now. Let's say 2x squared, okay, minus 20x, okay, plus 32. Now, the difference between this one and previous one is this. There is a common factor here, see? The 2, 20, and 32. You must take out common factor first because make your life easy. If you don't, it make it really difficult and you meant to take out all common factor anyway. So you have to take common factor. Always be vigilant on those sort of questions. First of all, ask yourself question, is there any common factor? If not, then just do normal factorizing, yeah? So now I take a common factor out. I take the 2 out. Okay, so that give me x squared minus 10x and then a plus 16. Okay, so because I divide thing by 2, that's why, because I took common factor out. Then this is a positive, so therefore I just take that out. So x minus, okay, x minus, okay, because it's positive, so I just copy whatever that side is. Okay, so negative, so x minus. Then what time what give me 16 add to give me 10? Okay, 2 and 8. Okay, so this is 2, this is 8 here. Okay, next one, number 10. Okay, 3m square add 24m plus 36. Look, you divide everything by 3. So you take the 3 out. So that gives me m squared plus, you divide by 3 because its common factor is 3. So that gives me 8m, okay, plus 12. Then you do normally. So look at this side. Okay, it's a plus. So I just copy whatever this side is. So the m's, you copy this out, 3m plus, okay, m plus again. Then what time what give me 12? Add, okay, to give me 8. The only answer is 6 and 2. Okay, and doesn't matter where you put, okay, because both same side, of course, 6 and 2, or 2 and 6, okay? Let's go, almost there. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Let's say 4x squared minus 36x, okay, plus 80, okay? Look, the common factor of this is 4, right? So you take the 4 out first. So that gives me x squared divided by, give me 9x and plus 20. Yes? Then look at this side, it's positive. So therefore, I just copy whatever this side here. So that becomes x minus. Now because positive, what time what give me 20? Add, okay, to give me 9. 4 and 5, or 5 and 4. Doesn't matter. Next one, 12, 2t squared plus, let's say 4t minus 30, okay? Common factor, look, common factor is 2, so I take the 2 out, that give me t squared plus 2t minus 15, okay? Now, look, it's negative, so 1 plus, 1 minus straight away, okay? That's the process. What time what give me? What time what give me 15? The difference is 2. Okay, so that must be 3 and 5. But because it's positive, okay, because it's different, so the positive 2 here. See? So therefore, the bigger number must be on positive side. Alright? Thank you. Last one more. Okay, last one. Let's do one more. Okay, number 13. Let's say 10p squared, okay, plus 30p minus 280. Okay, now the common factor of this is 10. So I take 10 out. So that gives me p squared plus 3p minus 28. Okay, and then look at this. It's a negative. So it should be 1 plus 1 minus. So 10 p plus, okay, p minus. Okay, so what time what give me 28? Okay, what time what give me 28? The difference is 3. Okay, so it should be, okay, if you think about it, Okay, it should be, list them out, we're not sure. It should be, let's say 28 is 3 times, I mean 4 times 7, right? 4 times 7. It's a difference for, yeah, that's right. Agree? So 4 times 7 is 28. The difference is 3. But because positive 3 in here, okay, because of this positive, so bigger number on positive side. So which is 7 and 3. Okay, thank you so much for watching.